ओके, आई डोंट वांट टू स्टॉप फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग। लाइक अंदर ही अंदर ऐसा लग रहा है ना, रुक गई तो फिर रह जाएगा वाला। तो आई विल कंटिन्यू। तो कहाँ थे? हाँ, सो 2010 and what happened is we are in Navi Mumbai and I've already told you the environment, like it's a doctor engineer environment. तो my father is like तुमको नवी मुंबई से मुंबई 50 किलोमीटर, like 2 hours, just one way commute. Okay, so 4 hours and like many people there it's a usual thing, मेरे लिए नहीं था. um, I'll talk about the relationship in a entirely different video, I think. Yeah, उसको थोड़ा अभी साइड रखते हैं. I'll come to the academic side थोड़ा, ठीक है? तो पापा सेड कि तुमको गुवाहाटी ट्राई करना चाहिए सिंस लिटरेचर एंडेड अप बीइंग व्हाट आई स्टडी. सो क्या the only common subject between science and arts ended up being English literature. So wherever I was filling up forms to ensure that I do get the seat, uh, I gave English literature as my first preference. और तब तक ना इतना ही पता था कि आई एम आर्ट्स ह्यूमैनिटीज पर्सन, मतलब उस लाइन में मेरे को कहीं भी लग जाऊँ मैं, आई बी हैप्पी. सो सेकेंड ऑप्शन आई थिंक वाज हिस्ट्री और समथिंग लाइक दैट. हाँ, तो एंड माई ड्रीम कॉलेज, ओ गॉड, ड्रीम कॉलेज मेरा तब था फर्ग्यूसन कॉलेज पुणे. हाँ, तो but dad and I, although like we have had this agreement that I'll be studying humanities, and it's not like he's supporting or actively involved in my life. हाँ, तो क्या हुआ? हाँ, तो आई हैड टू लाइक फिल द फॉर्म एंड फॉर्म तब ड्रॉप करने के लिए पुनः जाना पड़ता. एंड आई हैड नॉट ट्रैवल्ड इतना दूर, अकेले मैं कभी गई नहीं थी, तो पापा को पूछना तो इट वॉज लाइक आउट ऑफ क्वेश्चन. सो वो वहीं पे रह गया था ना, आई गिवन इट अप. ही सेड go to Guwahati Cotton College is a good college. Literature and arts जब पढ़ना है तुमको, so you go there, है ना? तो पहले तो ऐसा था कि यार मतलब क्या वहाँ पे, देन लाइक नहीं, यू विल स्टे इन अ हॉस्टल एंड यू विल लर्न टू लिव बाय योरसेल्फ. एक सिटी में अपने हिसाब से चलना फिरना करना. इट्स अ गुड साइज सिटी फॉर यू टू लर्न दैट. एंड ट्रू, वहाँ पे सही थे पापा, ठीक है? तो फ्रॉम नवी मुंबई आई पैक्ड माई बैग्स in 2010 and they dropped me in Guwahati here. So yeah, I don't mention Guwahati because it's like a 3 year period only, इसके बीच में ही, ठीक है? So 2010 I came, 2013 I completed my graduation English literature. Okay, I was very happy. Like वो जितना भी लड़ाई लड़ा था ना to take arts and humanity, they're like yeah, everything was worth it because I can't tell you, मतलब one lecture, like one class, I used to like sit and like like yes, pour it into me. ये मैं जो 2 साल ये कौन से डेजर्ट में पढ़ के आई हूँ, साइंस was like being in a desert for me. And like finally कहीं से पानी बरस रहा है. I loved those 3 years. I think it was also a little sweeter, softer place comparatively to Navi Mumbai. And तो I started making friends एक दो करके. Then hostel life, वो आज़ादी and that independence, God, that was like sweet, like sweet. Learning to handle finances, like पापा started me on like a very small amount, like बहुत छोटे अमाउंट से शुरू कराया था. 6 महीने अच्छा ट्रेनिंग दिया उस अमाउंट पे. एंड देन फ्रॉम 7th month ही स्टार्टेड लाइक ठीक है अभी दे सकते हैं पैसा तुमको, तुम संभालना सीख गई हो. नहीं, सेंसिबल थिंग. Being away from home, I think I started appreciating my father much more. मम्मी के बारे में मैंने अब तो कुछ नहीं बोला है ना. I think mummy will be an entirely different chapter. Okay, let's go with papa for now. So वो थोड़ा the appreciation for your father when you see the world outside, तो वो आता है कि यार इतनी आसान नहीं है. Dad goes out there, makes the money, does the work, and supports the family, and you start appreciating much more. तो वो सब हुआ. Anything drastic? हाँ, relationship wise, we had only like dated, मतलब it's not the right word to say, but वो टू एंड फ्रो शुरू होते हमको कुछ 2-3 महीने हुए थे ना. And suddenly it became a long distance relationship. And when I did make the decision to move to Guwahati, I remember him telling me that I don't know what's going to happen to us. मतलब he had asked me to stay back obviously. तो लेकिन लाइक मेरे हाथ में नहीं है यार. मतलब मैं जितना पुश कर सकती हूँ, लाइक लिटरेचर पढ़ना है, आर्ट्स पढ़ना है, तक आई वॉज एबल टू. उससे आगे आई कांट लाइक एक ही झटके में उसके आगे तो पापा जहाँ भेज रहे वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा. तो अरे ठीक है, राम भरोसे. फिर लाइक इफ यू फील लाइक दैट ओके देन इट्स नॉट समथिंग दैट आई कैन कंट्रोल, राइट. तो मेरे लिए भी ऐसा था कि ठीक है, विल जस्ट लीव इट, लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि दैट वी कंटिन्यू इट. तो आ गई मैं इधर. एंड देन आई थिंक आई वॉज मच मोर attached at that moment to the relationship, so I would try to keep in touch a lot. And it was not like he wasn't keeping in touch. उसका focus अपने life पे काफ़ी ज़्यादा था उस point पे. And he didn't know how to give to a relationship. तो मुझे कहाँ पता था. But like internal, like I was more like always present and always asking and वो सब था. So eventually I think he came around, and we started developing something very beautiful from that year 2011. 2010 11. I think by that time like sort of हो गया था वो बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड वाला ना. तो if somebody asked me are you single, I was not single. वो that was established. And 3 years beautiful relationship, beautiful studying. I loved what I was studying. I felt like I was good at it. Confidence थोड़ा वापस बढ़ने लगा था from वो 11th-12th का जो फेज था उससे. Then after third year when 2013 happened, oh yeah, उसके पहले ना सिविल सर्विसेज वाला याद है. तो सिविल सर्विसेज वाला पापा को तो बोला था. तो ही वाज लाइक तुम ग्रेजुएशन पढ़ते पढ़ते पढ़ लो, like join a coaching institute and keep preparing on the side. तो ठीक है करते हैं. So from second year of college वो भी join कर लिया था. वहाँ पे भी it was good. I like studying but it was tough. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था ना अभी यार like अभी तो लिटरेचर ज्वाइन किया, अभी फाइनली आई हैड फाउंड समथिंग दैट आई वाज रियली एंजॉयिंग इन माय लाइफ. एंड ज़रूरी था मुश्किल करना, बट अगेन पापा को बोल के रखा था. एंड देन I did want to do it. I thought it was my way. So I was like ठीक है करते रहते हैं. When time comes we'll become very serious about it. For now let's do it diligently. तो वो चला second year and into third year I suppose. Yeah. So वो एक हो गया. That just stayed like that. I didn't pursue that line immediately. तो 3 साल के बाद अभी क्या करना है. 3 साल के बाद कैमरा नीचे हो गया ना. लो 3 साल के बाद then I wanted to pursue my masters because okay, now it's a nice transition because I didn't know what else I wanted to do. Like civil services उस बात पे जाने के लिए मैं ready नहीं थी. I just didn't feel ready at all. बाद में विस्तार से बहुत कुछ ये सब I'm going to like खोद खोद के बोलने वाली हूँ. But for now just story bit के लिए ठीक है. तो I wanted to leave Guwahati Northeast again and go back. Like मुझे थोड़ा और exposure चाहिए था. Like I liked what I found here. But फिर वो होता है ना कि खुला आसमान देख के आए हो then you want to go back there and तो like नहीं. So Ferguson apply किया वापस से and this time I got it. And got it be top of the list. Like they had put up a list of all qualifying students within university, Pune University and outside सारा मिलके among all the students I was number one. That again ऐसा लगा कि चलो ठीक है भगवान भी चाहते कि यू नो यही हो जाके तो हाँ so 2 years Ferguson College Pune. I come back a little closer home, uh, a little closer to him also. So तो 3 साल हमने जो क्या बोलूँ मैं we had learned to sustain a relationship and trust level काफ़ी high था हमारा like it was very stable like समझ रहे it was not like those young people relationships ना कि आज breakup हो गया और you know कल again we patch up and it was not like that like once we got in like वो पूरा it was nice. So that was there, and since I was in Pune, I could come home. So Navi Mumbai Pune is like 2 ghanta around distance, not much by road, 2 hours around. Okay, so that we started meeting more frequently and everything, and again, lovely, beautiful phase. My phase in college, like those 2 years, ये वापस नीचे चला गया है यार. ये stand I have to check. Anyways, थोड़ा चेहरा देख लो. हाँ. So 2 years, oh, I think like I was feeling like I'm touching my golden period again. समझ रहे हो like I had been yearning to feel like that for such a long time and ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार finally you know like something कहीं से like धूप निकली है वापस types. धूप lover बहुत धूप पसंद है तो nice exposure again you know like I'm acing everything. I had also joined a American Studies diploma just out of curiosity like I felt like I had time on my hands. I prayed for it bhagwan kuch bhej dena and that showed up the very next day like a teacher showed up with the course in our classroom the very next day and I was like okay टाइमिंग बहुत सही है कल ही तो मांगा था आज आ गया तो I joined that and I completed my American Studies diploma while doing my masters. So masters again, results were very good. I think in my college, I think I ended up getting the highest marks. Yeah, yeah, I think yeah. So academics wise, great friends, lovely, beautiful friends. Our relationship is going very well. Everything is going fine. It's just घर पे things had started shifting a little. Mm, my mother was beginning to fall ill very frequently, and illness is again mental health issues. So initially, like we are also not able to figure out. I am like in this, you know, tra la 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 la, like beautiful, lovely life of mine वहाँ पे and घर पे things are going down. Uh, समझ में नहीं आता था, एंड ऑन द फोन दे वुडंट टेल मी सो मच, राइट? उतना नहीं पता चलता था, लाइक जितना बोलते भी थे आई जस्ट यूज टू गेट द जिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. Then my brother ended up dropping a class, and that boy is way smarter than I am. Like, he's not as good at the education system and strategizing through exams, उसमें उतना अच्छा नहीं है, पर दिमाग के हिसाब से ना मेरे से बहुत गुना तेज है वो लड़का, which came as a shock to me because जितना भी you struggle, he was never ever anywhere near, flunking a class. So initially बहुत गुस्सा आया था उसके ऊपर, like क्या कर रहे हो तुम, like what are you doing with your life, like all you have to do is pass the exam. होता है, I'm doing the same thing, you see. um but then हुआ खत्म. I think the visits from Pune to Navi Mumbai started getting more frequent towards the end of second year. तो जितना मैं आती थी घर पे देखती थी, कुछ दिन में रहती थी, तो थोड़ा बहुत कुछ समझ जाता था सब कुछ. Then I would go back again, and then finally 2015 is when I completed my masters and I moved back home. 2015 से लेके ये और एक कहानी है, तो I think I'll pause or stop this one here and move to the next clip.